Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things healthy and delicious. Today, we're talking about something super exciting, 10 healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. Whether you're on a keto journey, managing diabetes, or just looking to cut down on carbs and sugar, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First up, we have arugula. This leafy green is not only low in carbs and sugar, but also packed with vitamins A, C, and K. It's got a peppery kick that adds a burst of flavor to any dish. The best way to enjoy arugula: toss it in a salad with some olive oil, lemon juice, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Yum! Next on our list is radicchio. This vibrant red vegetable is part of the chicory family and has a slightly bitter taste. It's great for adding color and crunch to your meals. Try grilling radicchio with a drizzle of balsamic vinegar for a delicious side dish that's both healthy and satisfying. Ever thought about eating dandelion greens? These greens are detoxifying and diuretic, making them perfect for a healthy diet. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K and are great for your liver. Blend them into a smoothie with some cucumber and lemon for a refreshing detox drink. Craving pasta but want to avoid the carbs? Spaghetti squash is your answer! This winter squash can be roasted and then scraped into spaghetti-like strands. Top it with your favorite low-carb marinara sauce and some grilled chicken for a guilt-free pasta night. You can't go wrong with spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, calcium, and magnesium. It's incredibly versatile. Add it to your omelets, smoothies, or saute it with garlic for a quick and healthy side dish. Next up, we have asparagus. These elegant green spears are not only low in carbs and sugar, but also high in folate, which is essential for cell production. Grill them with a bit of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt for a simple yet delicious side. Let's talk about broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in sulforaphane, a compound that has been linked to cancer prevention. Steam it, roast it, or add it to your stir-fries for a nutritious boost to your meals. Another great low-carb option is cauliflower. You can turn it into rice, mash it like potatoes, or even make a pizza crust out of it. It's incredibly versatile and a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite dishes without the carbs. Say hello to zucchini. This summer squash is perfect for making zoodles, zucchini noodles. Use a spiralizer to create your noodles and top them with a creamy avocado sauce for a delicious and healthy meal. Last but not least, we have mushrooms. These fungi are low in carbs and sugar and packed with antioxidants. Saute them with some garlic and thyme for a flavorful side dish, or stuff them with your favorite low-carb fillings for a tasty appetizer. And there you have it, 10 healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. Incorporating these into your diet can help you stay on track with your health goals while enjoying delicious meals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.